The video you're about to watch is a preview of one of my online courses in fashion designing available at Fashion Premier Academy. Here's the preview. Okay, the next component, number 3, company overview. This is where you describe the founders of the company. If you're the only one starting out, well then maybe it's just you. But if you have partners, the company overview would include all the partners and their experience, their education, past jobs. In a company overview, you would also describe your product specifications and manufacturing process. Again, are you manufacturing locally or overseas? And how often you will fulfill orders. Are you creating small groups and sending product to the stores every month? Kind of like what Zara, the brand Zara, does nowadays, where they deliver merchandise to the stores every few weeks. Or are you manufacturing a new collection, a new line, 2-3 times a year? And where and how you plan on distributing and selling your product. Another component, number 4, market analysis. This is where you identify and detail the size of your specific market and your competitors and your target customers. Are you designing for a small elite group of people, or are you designing for a mass market? You would also describe your manufacturing process and operations. Determine and identify your manufacturers and suppliers needed and required to produce your line, your product. A market analysis would also include marketing and distribution. Lay out what channels you will use to sell your product. Wholesale, department stores, boutiques, direct to consumer, and if you plan on hiring a showroom or a distributor. Now, I know I gave you a lot of stuff right now, but again, in part 2 of this course, I will go into details and explain further what I just said so you get a better idea of what I'm talking about, item by item, and you'll have time to write down answers and do some research and so on, okay? I will see you next class. Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the courses available at Fashion Premier Academy by clicking the link below. And be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you will be notified when I post new videos, which is every week. And if you have a specific question for me, please email me at ninovia@me.com. I'll see you in class.